All right, good morning, everybody. My name is Akbar Jaffer, and I'm the Chief Marketing Officer for ZorroSign. Today, we are going to talk about digital transaction management, electronic signature, and digital document security. The webinar is about 30 minutes, and we will have some time at the end for Q&A. Today, the electronic signatures are very commonplace with popular tools like DocuSign. The e-sign products are convenient and easy and fast to use. You sign and store your documents in the cloud. That works great if you have never have to use those documents. However, as it turns out, that life happens when we have to use those documents to share with the third party, and we have to pass them around by printing a copy and FedExing it, or we download them as PDF attachments and share them as emails. So basically what that means is that we take these documents, once they've been executed, we take these documents out of the secure servers where they are executed and stored. So there are really two problems with that solution. The first problem is they make it so easy with free tools like the Adobe Acrobat Reader or Mac Preview to modify these documents once they have been converted into PDF. So you can use the camera on your computer to capture a signature, or you can upload a signature, and you can cut and paste and modify these documents very easily. The second problem is, of course, that you can modify the data on the document as well. You can simply draw a plain white box around them, and you can start to write. You can modify the content as well. So the main problem is that these types of alterations cannot be detected or traced. So what's the challenge? The challenge is you still have to share these documents with people. So the challenge is, how do you know that a document that has been shared with you has not been tampered with or signature forged? So does that happen in real life? Plenty of time. Very recently, the Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe was caught tampering with his real estate transaction documents. I'm sure you all have heard. US judges and US courts have rejected DocuSign signed documents as admissible in court. Couple had modified the court documents and forged the judge's signature in a baby custody case. And the list goes on and on. So what's the solution? First and foremost, ZorroSign is the digital transaction management platform complete with electronic signature, workflow automation, intelligent forms, and document management system. The challenge that I presented, which is, how do you know that the document that has been shared with you has not been modified? ZorroSign has developed a proprietary permission-based private blockchain tokenization solution that detects document frauds. Basically, once all the parties have signed the document, the token goes on to the document itself. And then after that, when a document is shared with you as a PDF or a printed copy, you can use ZorroSign's free mobile app to scan the token, and within seconds, we will tell you whether the document that you're holding in your hand is legit or not. We basically tell you if the document has been tampered with, signature forged, expired, or rejected. In addition, we tell you all kinds of details about the document and your transactions. We have a full audit trail, chain of custody, distributed ledger. We show you the copy of the originally signed document, digital certificates associated to it. If there was biometrics used to secure the documents, we have that information. If there are any attachments associated to it, and so on and so forth. So there's a plethora of information that we track about the document. So how do you get ZorroSign? ZorroSign is available in multiple cloud configurations, such as the paid SaaS cloud subscription model and private cloud as a fully managed service. ZorroSign can also be deployed on premise for those who prefer to have it behind their own firewall on their own hardware. We also provide training as well as professional services for customers who need help digitizing their forms or automating their documents. And ZorroSign is also available on mobile devices, and we're soon to release Salesforce integration. Our key customers are primarily in the financial services space, such as real estate, lenders, payment processors, as well as hospitality, government, and the nonprofit organization. These organizations use ZorroSign to not only transact using the electronic signature and the workflow, but they also use the token to secure their documents as well. Over the last year, ZorroSign has been recognized as a solution that is disrupting primarily the fintech space. And there's also an increased interest from the legal communities, real estate community, healthcare services. ZorroSign is fully compliant and legally accepted worldwide. And lastly, about the company, we were founded in 2015 and our product was launched late last year. Today, we have over 600 customers and roughly 5,000 users worldwide. Thank you so much. Have a great day.